Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my Japan haul, and this will be featuring hair care and skincare products, guys. So I have just filmed a makeup one, so I decided to split up the hair care and skincare because I feel like I might have went a little bit overboard, but yeah. So if you guys want to know more about where I shop and stuff, I did mention in part 1, so I'm not going to go back to mentioning it. But again, I went to a few different stores like Donkey, Cosme and pharmacies to get all this product. So this are like accumulation of 3 weeks of my holidays. I had a wish list that I followed, so I was happy with that, because if not, I feel like I would have gotten more. So without further ado, let's get started. And they are not in particular order, so there will be a combination of hair care and skincare like I mentioned. First one is this Fino hair mask, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard lots of things about it, but this is the Fino version. Also decided to get the Tsubaki one. I love Tsubaki when it comes to shampoo. I've known the brand Tsubaki itself for so many years because I've used their shampoo for so many times. So when I was looking at like TikTok and Little Red Book, they really compared a lot of the Fino with the Tsubaki one, so I decided to get the repair mask. There's also another brand that I decided not to get because these products are actually quite heavy, guys, and I did notice that this too actually comes in refill as well if you guys are interested. Another hair product, this is also by Tsubaki, and this also recommended by TikTok as well, and this is the Premium Moist and Repair Treatment. I'm not sure about the differences between these two, but I decided to get it as well just to give this one a try. These are the honey shampoo and the shampoo and conditioner. I actually have the actual bottle shampoo and conditioner in my bathroom now. Don't think you guys want to look at it, and I'm sure you guys know how it looks like anyway, but I decided to get that one and try it in Japan before I buy the refill, because again, the packaging itself was actually quite heavy. So overall, I actually really like this. It really does make my hair shiny. I can definitely see the differences every time I take photos, like how it really makes my hair really shiny. Like that's just why I can shiny, moisturizing, 2 shampoo and 1 conditioner. This is by the brand Naturie, and this is a skin conditioning gel. I use this mainly for the face. My husband uses it as well, and this is actually our second bottle. We actually bought the first bottle in Japan to use in Japan. Love it so much because it's also really affordable, and I decided to get a second one, and you can see it has a Cosme #1. This actually comes in like different forms or different kind of products, but I decided to just stick to this one because I really like how like it has this really nice water base when you apply it on your face. This Keana rice mask, heard good things about it, and I told myself I'm just going to stick to getting 1 pack of masks because to be honest, like the amount of masks I buy and the amount of time I don't use it is ridiculous. So I'm just like, I need to tell myself to actually just stick to 1 and just use it up, because if not, it will just be wasteful. So I decided to give this one a go. I've heard good things about rice ingredients, so I thought why not give this one a try. And this one comes, I don't even know how many it comes, but it has a whole bunch and it's resealable, which is good. This one, I saw this on Little Red Book, and it's I've seen it raved by a lot of people, and this is a hair coloring treatment. The way you use it is like applying like a shampoo, and it gives you the color. So it has like a whole range of colors, and apparently it uses a lot of just natural ingredients to give you that color. So apparently it's not as toxic or too much chemical. So I have a lot of gray hairs. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I decided to get mine in the black color. So again, it comes in 4 colors. I decided to just get one. This is actually not cheap as well. I think it's almost like 30 bucks New Zealand dollars. So I want to give it a try and see how it goes. So if you guys want to review, let me know. Another hair product, and this one is LDK as well, as you can see, and decided to get it because it was only 1 left, and this is Sleek, I think, by Sarah Salon. I don't know much about it, guys, to be honest. The only reason why I bought it is because it has the LDK on it, but I believe it's some form of like essence or serum for the hair. I told myself this year that I'm gonna look after my hair a little bit more, especially my scalp, hence why I bought a lot of hair care product, because I went to a couple of treatments in Japan and Korea, and both told me that my scalp is pretty inflamed, it's pretty fragile, I need to look after it, there's a lot of tension going on. So yeah, so I decided it's time to focus on my hair a little bit more as well. Now this one is a hair treatment serum, and oh my god guys, this is actually really hard to find. You can't find it in Donkey, you can't find it in Cosme, or I couldn't find it. I had to get it at a random pharmacy, and this is by the brand Ichikami. I was really shocked that I found this on my last day of my trip, and guys, I was in Japan for 3 weeks looking for this, and I finally found it. So I really do hope it's good. I really do hope that it's worth it. But yeah, this is a hair treatment serum. Almost there guys, and I decided to get this sample. And good thing is that you can get samples of shampoos or like even the honey shampoo, a little form of sample to try it out, and they're only like $1 New Zealand. So for you guys in the States, probably like 50-70 cents if I'm not wrong. And it's a good trial to see whether you like the product before buying it. So I decided to get this Diane one because later down the track on my trip, I found out that this Diane one might be more suitable for my scalp care, but I already bought a lot of the honey stuff, so I was like, there's no point buying this. If I want it, I guess I can buy it online. So I decided to get the extra night repair and the shampoo, hair mask and the treatment, all three together to see whether I actually like it when I finish my honey shampoo. I also bought this DHC lip cream. I actually ended up buying maybe 6 or 7 of it. I used one and I lost it at the airport on the way home, and I managed to use half of it. So I can definitely tell you it's a really good lip balm guys. Like, it's so moisturizing. The moisture really stays intact to like the following day if you use it at night as like a lip balm to seal up for the night, I guess. But it's actually really good and really moisturizing, and again it has like a Cosme award as well. I definitely recommend it, and this is by the brand DHC. The reason why I'm mentioning that this is by the brand DHC is because sometimes there are some stores that actually sell the same packaging, everything looks exactly the same, but it doesn't have DHC on it guys. So just FYI, get the DHC one. So I only have 3 left because I bought some for gifting. This is my refill, and this is so popular that some stores actually sell them in a pack of 10. Last but not least is a skincare or skin wash, I guess, and this is the, what is this one called? Suisai Beauty Clear Powder Wash in Gold. This actually comes in different form. It has like the clear blue one, the black one. I can't remember the types it has. I decided to get this gold one because I've tried the clear blue one before, and I absolutely love this because it really does, you know, clean off a lot of the dirt off my face after I've cleansed my face, you know, from wearing makeup. It really keeps my face really hydrating during the trip. This is actually my second packaging. I've used up one packaging during my trip in Japan, and I decided to get another one, and I'm keeping this for like travel use. I like that it comes in all these little sachets, so you don't have to like, you know, pour everything out one by one. This is like one sachet, one use, which I find so convenient for travel. So I definitely recommend this for you guys if you guys are interested. So that's my part 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys think. Again, let me know if there are some of the products you guys have tried. I would love to know about it. Stay tuned for part 3, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.